Welcome back. You're listening TikiCooksTv, where you get all the feels and grooves with your food.
Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends, them your good up friends, them, because God love when you share. So today I'll be making some salt and pepper wings. So
them are gonna need wings to catch me up now.
and if you want to see how I made this, then stick around to the end now. I have some nice things in there, you know, them easy grooves. And I'll also add the ingredients in the description below. So yeah, that's just about it. Let's get right into it. Oh, I don't want to toot my own arm, but it have a buzz. It have a buzz. Alright guys, so here I have some chicken wings ready to fly away. So let me tell you something, this chicken, it's so nice that I can go into the fridge in the middle of the night and eat some of the fridge cold. That's exactly what I did. So let's begin. So I have my salt. I'm going to have the ingredients below. I have some homemade 5-spice Chinese 5-spice blend. It has fennel, star anise, cinnamon. I'll put it in the description below. Then I have my black pepper. I have some garlic powder. I also have some onion powder, some paprika, I also have some chicken seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm just gonna mix that and combine, you know, season up the chicken, make it nice. Yo, man, I told you so that chicken is bad. Would I eat some right now? Still not lie, but it done. Anyway, it's finished, and I'm going to put this on the fridge for 2 days. You can have it for 2 hours, but I went 2 days, you know, so that was seasoned. Anyway, I have my seasoning here. I have some bell pepper and Scotch bonnet. You can omit the Scotch bonnet if you can't stand to eat. Just come out of the kitchen, but frankly, why would I? So I have some onions, some minced garlic, and this is a medley of cracked pepper, which includes black pepper, white pepper, green pepper, pink pepper. Whole lot of pepper. After all, it's salt and pepper. And some ground white pepper. I have some scallions. I have my spicy honey butter sauce. If you want to see this, it's in the description below. I made one before. I have a little piece of thyme, and yeah, we're ready. So it's been 2 days, and you can see some of meat well seasoned up and it look nice and ting. So yeah, it's ready for the frying, but before I do that, I'm going to dip it in my flour butter. It's not really a butter, but flour. So I have just cornstarch, flour, and black pepper and white pepper and garlic powder because it's salt and pepper chicken, so obviously I'm going to be adding more salt to give it the salt and pepper thing at the end. So we're not going to coat the butter with salt because we already have salt in the meat, this chicken seasoning. So yeah guys, it's pretty smooth sailing from here. What you're gonna do now is just deep fry each batch for 10 to 12 minutes on 350 heat. And if you don't have a thermometer, you can always judge it by sprinkling a little powder. Father God, I will make that one. You know them something there. Yeah, but you can sprinkle a little of the flour in the pot, little tip look like if you see start bubble up, you know, so yeah. But not burn like. Just judge it, man. Judge it. Use judgment. You see me? So yeah, guys. I remember you're watching me. You're watching me, Tiki. So yeah, enjoy. Well, and me see someone here on a new and someone on a return. I wanna never click the subscribe button. So what that for? I don't understand. Subscribe! I'm not gonna frighten y'all. But yeah, just hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and don't forget to share. Bye bye.